Ever wondered where you can tap and go with GrabPay? From bustling cities to serene islands, this digital wallet has expanded its reach. Let's dive into the countries where GrabPay is making waves. GrabPay, the digital wallet arm of the Southeast Asian ride-hailing giant, Grab, has been rapidly expanding its footprint. It's not just about hailing rides anymore. GrabPay offers a suite of services, from mobile payments to food delivery. But where exactly can you use it? Southeast Asia, the heart of GrabPay. Southeast Asia is undeniably the heartland of GrabPay. Countries like Singapore, the birthplace of Grab. Singapore is where GrabPay first took root. It's widely accepted for payments in various establishments, from hawker centers to high-end boutiques. Malaysia, a neighboring country, Malaysia has embraced GrabPay with open arms. It's used for everything from paying for meals to topping up mobile phones. Indonesia, with its vast population, Indonesia is a key market for GrabPay. It's used for a wide range of transactions, from ride-hailing to online shopping. Thailand, a tourist haven, Thailand has seen a surge in GrabPay usage. It's accepted at numerous venues, making it a convenient payment option for both locals and tourists. Philippines, the Philippines has a growing number of GrabPay users. It's used for various purposes, including paying for bills and sending money. Vietnam, a rapidly developing country, Vietnam has embraced GrabPay as a modern payment solution. It's widely accepted in cities like Ho Chi Minh City and Hanoi. Beyond Southeast Asia, expanding horizons. While Southeast Asia remains the primary market for GrabPay, the company has been exploring opportunities in other regions. Countries like Myanmar, a country with a burgeoning digital economy, Myanmar has welcomed GrabPay as a convenient payment option. Cambodia, a popular tourist destination, Cambodia has seen an increase in GrabPay usage, especially in urban areas. The future of GrabPay. As GrabPay continues to expand its reach, it's clear that the future is bright. The company is investing heavily in technology to enhance the user experience and introduce innovative features. From contactless payments to financial services, GrabPay is poised to become a leading digital wallet globally. With its user-friendly interface and wide range of services, GrabPay has become an indispensable part of the digital landscape in many countries. Whether you're a local or a tourist, having GrabPay in your digital wallet can make your life easier and more convenient. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.